What's up, guys? It's afternoon. It's now 2 o'clock. We woke up a little bit late, still a little bit jet lagged. But today we're going to be exploring a lot more than we did yesterday. We are planning to go visit Talat Noi, which is apparently an area that has a lot of like cute coffee shops and cafes and stuff. And then we're also going to visit a couple of temples if we can make it in time. And then finally,
We're gonna end at Chinatown so Tams can get something to eat. Yeah.
so we're on our way now before it gets dark.
We have just made it to Talat Noi and it's absolutely stunning. There's a lot of photos and graffiti painted across the walls. It is definitely a sight to see. So you guys should definitely add this to your list of things to do in Bangkok. They do call this place Amazing Thailand, the land of smiles. Talat Noi is absolutely adorable. We just saw all the graffiti on the walls. They are so cute. And then if you just keep walking, this place just turns into the cutest little streets with little restaurants and cafes. Oh, must.
Currently over here, and we're making our way to one of the temples, which is not on this map, but this is the map of Talat Noi. We've just finished walking around Talat Noi. It's really nice there, so I definitely recommend you guys spend some time there. Probably 2 to 3 hours, and if you eat in, maybe 3 to 4 hours. We just stumbled across walking street in Chinatown. So we're going to be walking around Chinatown now. We're going to try and make our way to one of the temples before they close. Just got myself an ice cream, and we're now made it to the Wat Trimit temple, which is the Golden Buddha temple, and we're on our way right now. We have just made it to the Golden Buddha, and we have bought our 2 tickets. It was 80 baht, which is about €2.50.
Not bad. So now what we're doing is we're just checking our dress attire since Nick is wearing sleeveless as well as shorts, because online it said men have to cover their shoulders as well as their legs and as well as for women. But they said for the two of us that we dressed A-OK and they're letting us in. Inside the Golden Buddha temple is actually the largest golden Buddha in the world, and it's currently standing at 3.01 meters wide and 3.1 meters tall. So it is big and it is beautiful. So now we're headed towards Chinatown to fill my belly and stop at anything else along the way.
We've just made it to Chinatown.
Chinatown!
We are on Yao Rat Road, which is apparently where all the food is. Welcome to Chinatown.
So we don't really know what we're buying. We saw there was a queue and we were like, it must be good. And we actually found out they're a Michelin star 2018 rated, it looks like dough puffs and custard. Sounds delicious. Can't wait to try. So apparently this is like a dough-like snack called potango. I think I'm pronouncing it wrong. I'll put it in the description. And it comes with a coconut dipping sauce. Really good. It's very nice.
There are tons of people on this road, and we decided to stop and get some roast duck after we had the other bread thing. So we're gonna give it a try.
The meat is so tender, and they put on this like sweet, sticky sauce that's absolutely delicious. This is divine. I don't know how you'll ever find the store in Chinatown, but you have to find this duck, and I think it's called, I don't know what's in English. It's char siu in Chinese. Delicious. And more food. We don't know what it's called. It is bread with a milk sauce inside. We've seen it so many times. We're like, we have to try. It's like a crispy bread with marshmallow on top. It's a very unusual, it's nice, but it's unusual. Because I don't put marshmallows on my bread, but it's nice.
We have eaten too much food.
I feel like an absolute whale right now.
If you guys are coming to Chinatown, make sure you have an empty stomach.
There is
Hello.
food galore.
We've just made it out of Chinatown.
It was crazy with people butting up on everybody.
People everywhere.
We are currently here and we are going to follow the blue line all the way to Silom. And then we'll walk from there to our accommodation somewhere there.
myself only. I've been like that since I was a kid. I've always put my feet wherever I want to.
We've just gotten back and we've just taken a shower, and we just wanted to give you guys an update on how we felt Bangkok was today.
It was phenomenal. It was so cool. It was hot. It was fun. Going from the temple and all the graffiti and the food and the food and the food. It was amazing.
'Cause I was made to be